Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on this 2023 Cadillac XT4. Alright guys, open up the glove compartment and your filter's behind this over here, so you need to get the glove compartment to swing down a little bit, and the way you do that is it's just held down over here and you squeeze the sides on both sides because this side's the same way. Once you squeeze the sides, it's gonna swing down. It's not as easy as some of the other cars I've done this with, so you might have to put a little muscle to it. All right, once you get it past this point, see, then this thing swings down. Now, there's enough room to get your hand in here and get to the filter, but if you want this to swing down more, you need to get this latch off, okay? And the way you do this, you're gonna push it down this way. So you slide it down and then you get it out. Oop, there you go. So if you see, it just goes in here and then it slides up into this spot. So now this just swings down and you're able to get to this little door. There's a little tab that you push and pull, and on this side the same thing. And this door just swings open. There's your filter. Just gotta pull it out. There you go. Now, this one's pretty new, but the main thing you need to remember is make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down when you install it, okay? Because all the air comes from the top. You'll know because this one's not bad because it's brand new, but it's gonna be all dirty on this side, and then this side is gonna be pretty clean. So you pop it back in. Hold on. Pop it back in. Sorry for all the noise, all kinds of craziness going on over here. All right. Once you pop it in, close the door. Just clicks in place. And then you need to, if you took the latch off, you need to attach the latch. So this thing just pulls out. See, it pulls out and attach the latch. So let's do that. All right, I put the latch on. You just gotta put it in and it slides up and it locks in place. I don't know if you can see it from this side, but anyway, that's it. This part, you're just gonna push it up past this point and it stays in place. That's it, that's all that's to it. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.